Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever thought about making your own delicious vegan yogurt right in your kitchen? It's so much easier than you think. Plus, you get to choose exactly what goes into it, avoiding all those weird additives and sugars you sometimes find in store-bought options. Not only is it healthier, but it can also save you quite a bit of money over time, and it truly tastes amazing. You'll love having this fresh, wholesome treat ready whenever you want. Let's talk about what you'll need. The core ingredient is your plant-based milk. Soy milk works beautifully for a creamy texture, but almond and cashew are also fantastic choices. Next, you'll need a probiotic capsule, just one or two, to introduce those essential live cultures that transform the milk into yogurt. If you prefer a really thick, spoonable yogurt, a small amount of a natural thickener can make all the difference, but it's totally optional. Good news! You don't need fancy equipment for this. A clean glass jar, perhaps a quart-sized one, is perfect for the fermentation process. A simple kitchen thermometer is really helpful to make sure your plant milk is at the right temperature for the probiotics to thrive, usually around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, you just need a nice, warm place in your home, maybe near a heating vent or in a turned-off oven, where your yogurt can ferment quietly. The process itself is quite straightforward. First, gently warm your chosen plant milk to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it off the heat, then carefully stir in the powder from 1 or 2 probiotic capsules until it's fully dissolved. Now, cover your jar, perhaps with a cheesecloth or a lid, and place it in that warm spot for 8 to 12 hours. Once it's cultured, simply transfer it to the fridge to chill and thicken. To perfect your homemade vegan yogurt, remember these tips. If you want a tartar flavor, simply let it ferment for a bit longer. For a thicker consistency, using a creamier plant milk or adding a touch more thickener can work wonders. Once it's ready, get creative with your flavors. Swirl in some maple syrup or agave, fresh berries, vanilla extract, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy customizing your delicious, homemade vegan yogurt exactly how you like it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.